Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Because mushrooms are merely the above-ground symptoms of existing beneficial fungal growth, getting rid of them is a temporary fix at best. However, removing them quickly may prevent more spores from being released to spread more fungi.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A simple solution of a few drops of dish soap to a pint of water will kill off mushrooms. Stick holes in the top of the indoor potted plant's soil and spray the solution onto the mushroom, making sure not to spray the plant stems or leaves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water to make a simple fungicide to kill mushrooms in your yard. Like vinegar, baking soda can change the pH of your yard. Alternate between using baking soda sprays and vinegar sprays to kill mushrooms.
Take our lead.
All you have to do is mix 1 part white vinegar with 4 parts water in a spray bottle. When spraying the homemade fungicide, make sure that you're only spraying it on the mushrooms because vinegar can kill plants and grass.
Let's help you make your mark.
A soap and water mixture is an effective mushroom killer. Use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dish soap with 2 gallons of water. Using your garden tools, poke holes into the soil around the mushrooms and fill with the soapy water.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vinegar has an active ingredient called acetic acid, and acetic acid does an amazing job of killing garden mushrooms. When spraying the homemade fungicide, make sure that you're only spraying it on the mushrooms because vinegar can kill plants and grass.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.